Brad Williams, Excel primes, place columns 1 and 5 into a new list. We're going to use choose calls or choose columns. Here's our list. We have one. Our first column is B. We go out to F. We have column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our request is show golfer, show round 4. Here is the formula. Choose call. B5, F20, 1, -1. What does that mean? Look at the arguments over here on the right. Look at the anatomy. We know choose calls is going to return given columns based on our criteria. We have column number 1 and we have column number 2 as our second argument. What does that mean? Well, the first column we're going to grab from left to right because it's a positive number. Over here, the second will be round 4. That -1 will produce this last column. Here is a narrative. I want you to read it. I'm not going to go through this. You can read this, and I strongly encourage you to read this. There's a lot of helpful tips there. Besides that, we're going to include in the next 4 or 5 tutorials, we're going to look through a bunch of different variations that we can include with choose call. We're limited. Why? Because we're dealing with this column num, and including variations is limited. But you saw in the earlier tutorial, we put that sequence function in here. Well, there's more to come. My suggestion, go in here, and if you want to change the data up, change this rand between. If this is new to you, this is just a simple rand function. We put choose 1 to 20. That means choose is just going to randomly grab a name. Then the same here. I just put rand between 62 and 100. I copied right and down. If you don't want this, copy paste special will remove all of the formulas and it'll be static. Here, if you want to change up your column information, I encourage you to experiment and then read the narrative. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.